Fabric Pricing explained what you get for your money. Fabric is a modern life insurance platform that simplifies coverage, but what does its pricing actually include? Let's break it down. Fabric offers term life insurance policies that are fully digital with no hidden fees. Pricing is based on age, health, coverage amount, and term length. For example, a healthy 30-year-old seeking zero in coverage for 20 years could pay as little as £2 per month. Premiums increase with age and higher coverage amounts, but the platform's streamlined approach often results in lower costs compared to traditional insurers. The surprising truth about Fabric is that it allows you to manage your policy entirely online. You can get a quote, apply, and receive approval in minutes without speaking to an agent. Most people get this wrong. They assume digital life insurance platforms are more expensive, but Fabric often provides competitive rates with faster approvals. Fabric also includes features like a digital will, financial tools, and access to resources for beneficiaries at no extra cost. You won't believe how much simpler estate planning becomes when these tools are integrated directly with your life insurance policy. In conclusion, Fabric Pricing scales with your age, health, and desired coverage, but it's designed to be transparent and affordable. The key is understanding your needs and choosing a term length and coverage amount that fits your budget. When used effectively, Fabric simplifies life insurance, protects your loved ones, and adds helpful financial tools all in one place.